Okay, so right there you will see two Phillips head screws. So just simply unscrew them with a screwdriver, and then you can just pull it out just like that. And after that, down here, yep, right there, there's a 10 millimeter bolt. This one here, and same thing on the other side, that you can just unscrew with a 10 millimeter socket. Just take out your battery, and then there's a screw right there that you just have to unscrew. I forgot what size it was. After unscrewing, you can just take this part out and reveal the wiring. You see some zip ties like right there, so which you will have to cut, which is fine, and then just follow the wire all the way down there. It's not gonna be here. So the connector will be under this battery container, so you'll have to remove that screw right there and that nut right there. So these are 14 millimeter nuts. So once this one and that one, so once these two are removed, then there's a nut right there down at the bottom. It's a screw, an Allen head screw. Make sure that you spray that one with WD-40 or a rust penetrant before, because for me it was rusted shut and I stripped it, and then I had to use some bolt extractors to take it out, which just wasted a lot of time for me. So just a precaution for you before you start it. Once that screw is off, this box will be loose, and you can easily access the connector for the ignition plug in there. Right there, that's the wire. So you just simply just disconnect it and you can take it out. This is what it looks like after. You can just push it out with your thumb and then just follow the wiring down there and simply disconnect it. And this is what it looks like. This is the connector right here. So, and the installation is just backwards. You connect it first, and then you put in the bolts for the ignition plug first. This is the new one. So, and then just put on all the bolts for the battery box, the box that battery is held in, and you should be good to go. It's just plug and play, simple.